take a video, guys. Answer module here. This is my way. Hi guys, I answered the module in my teacher's laptop. Yeah, I use the headset, guys. A lot of student here. This is my way, guys, to answer module here in the laptop using because I'm use the teacher's laptop. I turn on the narrator for that to read. Wait.
C 10 centimeter, D 28 centimeter.
Adjective and correct. Recycle.
Lucas has made a scale model of his proposed new house shown in the drawing below.
Uy, mahulog laptop. Mahulog laptop.
If the model scale is 1.4 in centimeters, what is the length of the house in his drawing? Mataas ako.
Ano centimeter niya? 1.4?
Citizen.
GCASH.
D. Right Filipino and citizenship.
Ayaw gawa doon na. Hindi ka magawa doon. Pinay science.
Bida-bi? Isa yung pinakadagala.
Dahil lang. Eka.
Right Filipino and citizenship. I answer
Evelyn. Ha? Dog. Junard.
Sikon, dito. Sa lumukan.
Dito.
Bahala na. Meter K.
Dali lang.
Ito di bahala na.
Siya ba yan sila na niya? Tara. Aman, sir? Saan na siya?